Hello everyone, I'm Annie and here I show you how to earn tens of thousands of dollars on binary options. I have already made many different videos for you, and after analyzing your comments and messages, I realized that you want to learn about a profitable strategy with the opportunity to start with the minimum deposit. So today I'll start with just $1. Just imagine what kind of life you can afford earning such amounts every day. But the best way to start making money on binary options is to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I not only conduct trading sessions, in which, by the way, each of you can participate for free, but also explain step by step how to trade binary options and how to use the trading platform Quotex, if you are a beginner, of course. Imagine you just need to enter trades following my signals and you'll be able to consistently get the same result as me. I'm not sorry at all to share my experience with you. I'll be happy to take you step by step into the world of trading and help you reach a new financial standard of living. Watch this video carefully to the end and don't miss your money. Let's go! And in this trading session, I want to use the Keltner channel indicator with its default settings and the MACD indicator. And on this chart, I see no entry point, so my first trade will be here. And great, my first profit. It may be very small, but I know that with small steps I'll reach a big goal. And as we can see here, the price is at the support level. According to the MACD indicator, we can see that the green histogram is starting to appear, so I had no doubt that this trade would be a winning one. And now we move on to the next currency pair. What do we see here? The price has reached the resistance level and I want to open a down trade here, but already for $2. Awesome! I'm in profit again, and as I said, on this currency pair we see the resistance level that the price has reached once again. According to the MACD indicator, we see that the red histogram is starting to appear. It's another signal that the price will go down in the near future. So let's move on to the next currency pair. Okay, it would be Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Awesome entry point. I immediately change my investments and open a trade down. Yes, a successful trade again. Our balance sheet is slowly growing, and as we can see, the price is at the resistance level here, so the trade was down there. We also see that the candle is at the upper line of the Keltner channel, which also tells us about a further decline. The general trend on this currency pair is upward. I think the price will adjust and go up again. So let's move on to the next currency pair. Here we see that the candle is at the bottom line of the Keltner channel, so my trade will be up here. Awesome! It was a high level of professionalism means. Here we can see that the price is also at the support level. Of course, it may drop a line lower, but I don't think so, because according to MACD indicator, we see that a green histogram appears. All this gives a signal that the price will go up in the near future, and so we can move on to the next currency pair. And on this currency pair, we see that the price is at the resistance level, so I'm opening down trade here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm in profit again! Charts of currency pairs are like open books for me. Read and learn. And as I said, here the price has reached the resistance level for the third time. And every time the price reached this level, the price turned around. Also, according to the MACD indicator, we see a red chart, which also gives a signal for a decline. Okay, so let's see what happens on the next currency pair. And there's a clear downtrend here. and we see that the price starts its reversal, green candles appears, so my trade will be here with 26 bucks. Perfect! Have you seen this deal? What an ideal entry point we have found. By the way, the price reached the support level, which is why it began reversal. We're slowly but surely moving towards our goal, and today you can take the first step towards your financial freedom and the realization of your cherished desires. To do this, you need to do just a couple of simple steps. Subscribe to my Telegram channel using the link in the description and text me in private messages. Immediately after that, you'll become a member of my club and will receive signals from me personally and earn several $1000s per session. Just repeat my actions, don't worry if you have little trading experience or if you're a complete beginner. I'll explain everything so clearly and in detail that even grandma will be able to earn money. Well, financial freedom is closer than you think. The link is in the description, but for now, let's continue our trading session. Oh, this currency pair doesn't work. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And here we see that the candles at the upper line of the keltner channel, so my trade will be here with 50 bucks. Yes, we got another successful deal. Our predictions have come true, and as we can see, a red histogram begins to appear on the MACD indicator, and the price reached the resistance level, so my trade was down. Let's see if I can continue my winning streak. And I want to add to another currency pair. Let it be British pounds and Japanese yen. And here we see that the candlesticks are the middle line of the keltner channel, so my trade will be down here. Wow, another successful deal hits our piggy bank, and as we can see, there's a downtrend on this currency pair. And the price is also in a downward channel, and now it has pushed off from the upper line of this channel. And let's move on to the Australian dollar and Japanese yen currency pair. Okay, there's a clear uptrend here. Red candles are appearing now, but I want to change my investments and open a trade up. We have another victory. As you see, after the option was opened, the downward movement continued, but I think the price may drop this level and then continue the upward movement. So let's move on to the another currency pair. I think it's a great time to invest here with 305 bucks. Great, I'm in profit again. And as we can see, the candle touched the lower line of the keltner channel. We also notice a pattern here, a descending triangle, and after completing which the price will go up. So let's not stop there, let's move on to another currency pair. There's a strong bearish movement on this currency pair, and after such a move there should be a correction, so my trade here will be up. Great! My first 1000 bucks for this trading session. Well, my technical analysis skills are back on top, and as we can see, a green histogram appears on the MACD indicator. Well, in addition, the price reached the support level from which it began its upward movement. So let's move on to the next currency pair. And here we have a downtrend. Well, that's why I want to invest 1000 bucks here. Yes, and this is profit. Good. The downtrend continues on this currency pair. The price reached the upper key level and began its reversal. And now I want to switch back to the British pounds and Japanese yen currency pair. The downtrend continues here, but now the price is at the upper line of the Keltner channel, so my trade will be here. Great! It was one of the safest deals. Well, let's see how things are on the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair. Here we see an uptrend, but now the price is at the resistance level, so my trade hit will be down. Yes, we got another successful deal. Our predictions have come true, and as I said, the price reached the resistance level for the upteenth time and began its reversal. And now I want to switch to the another currency pair. What do we see here? Here the candle has pushed out from the upper line of the Keltner channel, so my trade will be down here. Whoa, I'm improved again. We can also notice here that the price has reached the resistance level, which also gives us a signal that the price will go down. And now I already have over 4,000 bucks in my account. I think we will open another trade and that will be enough. So let's move on to the Australian dollar and the United States dollar. The situation has not changed here. Let's switch to another currency pair. Let it be United States dollar and Philippine peso. And here I want to immediately open a 1,000 bucks down trade. Wow, that was really exciting. And my trade was down here because the price reached the resistance level. The candle also touched the upper line of the Keltner channel, another signal. This is the perfect end to the trading session. Agree, it's much more pleasant to earn this amount in half an hour than to work for the same money for a whole month. I just want to give you a chance to make your life better. Follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. I'll explain to everyone how to trade binary options, how to use the trading platform. I'll show you all these and tell you all about it. You can repeat all the trades after me and get exactly the same result as mine. In fact, everything is simpler than it seems, and now you don't need any experience, as I will personally give you mine. On binary options, everyone can achieve a stable income, so go to Telegram. I'm waiting for your messages. Don't miss a chance that the universe gives you. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This way you'll immediately find out about my new videos with useful strategies for you. Ask your questions directly in the comments to this video. I'll try not to leave any question unanswered. I also recommend watching these videos via the link on the screen. They'll also help you improve your trading skills. See you, bye!